Do you ever feel like you're stuck knowing you want to start an online business but just don't know which one? Yeah, I've been there and I can relate to this. And after trying so many things and failing a bunch and finally cracking the code, I can tell you with full confidence, if you're looking for the best online business to start in 2025, you need to look at AI automation agencies. Now, before you start thinking, oh, I don't know how to code or AI sounds complicated and scary, I'm telling you right now, you do not need to be a developer or a tech genius to make this work. In fact, this business model is so beginner friendly that it's almost unfair how easy it is to get started. In this video, I'm going to break down exactly what an AI automation agency is and why this is the best opportunity right now, how you can start today, and most importantly, how I'm going to use this exact model to build something massive for myself. So let's dive into it. All right, first things first, what is AI automation agency? Simply put, it's a business that helps other businesses integrate AI-powered automations into their operations. Think about it this way. Businesses are today, especially the older school ones, they're always drowning in repetitive tasks and customer support. And you think about lead generation, lead management, data entry, scheduling, calendar booking, invoicing, sending proposals, and AI tool can do all of that for you in seconds rather than hiring another salesperson or hiring another admin task. Now, businesses now know the power of AI. They've seen it themselves and they know that AI can help them. But the problem is they have no idea, they have no clue at all how to implement it. And every time I meet one of my business owner friends and I tell them about it, they get so impressed about how I can make it happen. And that's where you come in too. Your job isn't to build AI from scratch. You're not building your own frontier models and your own GPT and training your own machine learning models. It's simply trying to connect businesses with existing tools and AI tools that automate their workflows. You're the middleman providing a service, and trust me, the middleman gets paid first, right? So because you're providing a service, so you get paid upfront. Now, I didn't just wake up one day and decide, oh yeah, AI automation agencies sound pretty cool, let's do it. No, I got here through a lot of trial and error. So I run multiple businesses, and every single time I found myself wasting hours on repetitive tasks or just struggling to automate stuff or just hiring admins to help me do stuff until I started looking for ways to automate them. And that's when it hit me. If I need automation this badly, other businesses probably do too. Like case in point, 1 year ago, I used to get developers to actually build, because I run a software company, right? So we have a team of developers, and I always get developers to help me build automation, and we deploy our own automation cloud functions and cron jobs on the cloud where it could run automations on its own. That's the thing, right? The moment you require developers to do things, then you require the same developer to maintain it and make edits to it, and it's just not very user friendly, right? Because automation needs to be done for every department across the company, not just by the tech team. That's when I realized the importance of using these tools that are no or low code friendly, and that's when I started diving deep into AI and automation. So what I found out was the demand for AI automation services is massive. Every business out there, big or small, can benefit from AI, and business owners are willing to pay good money to solve their pain points. So how can you get started, right? Even if you have no experience. The best part is you do not need coding skills. That's the best part. You do not need a degree especially. And in fact, no degree is teaching this right now. It's not even close, right? Things are moving so fast. I don't think the universities would ever be able to pick up in time. You don't even need startup capital. You just need to learn how to set up AI tools and offer it as a service. Here's a quick roadmap or steps on how you can get started. Number one is to pick a niche. Choosing an industry that you're familiar with, choose just one and just focus and dial in on one. Be the expert in that one industry, in that one niche. I know you will be thinking, oh, if I choose real estate, then I'll be giving up clients in e-commerce. No, it means that you establish yourself as a T-shaped specialist where you're good in real estate and all the real estate customers will go to you, right? So think about a niche, right? Real estate, marketing, e-commerce, local businesses. Every industry has repetitive tasks that needs automation. Number two will be to find simple AI tools, right? I emphasize here simple because you don't want to drown yourself and scare yourself too much in the early days, especially, right? So use tools like Zapier, Anit, Make.com, chatbots, Go High Level, which I personally use and white label, or even OpenAI's API, right? Your job isn't to build AI. It's to apply existing AI solutions to businesses and show them how you can make their lives easier, close more sales, or cut some costs, right? Number three would be to offer a service. Start with a simple automation service, right? For example, setting up automated WhatsApp replies, AI-driven lead qualifications, or follow-up sequences, or automated proposal generation. These kind of things, they're easy to see quick wins, and once they see the wins and they see the value in it, that's where you can start going in on a low entry point and start building a relationship from there and start providing more services and add-on services. And next would be to learn how to find clients, reach out to businesses, show them how much time and money they can save, and offer to set it up for them. For me, I primarily use Facebook and Instagram ads, as well as cold lead gen, outreach automation tools. And that's probably another video on its own, but you got to learn how to find clients, because without clients, there's no point learning on the skills, right? And finally, you got to learn how to scale it, because once you start getting clients, you can build a team to handle service delivery and turn this into a full-blown agency. And that's it. That's the entire model. It's simple, it's scalable, and it's very profitable. Now, let me break down why this business model is perfect for beginners, right? It's high in demand. It's low in competition. Businesses need AI, but they don't know how to use it. That's where you come in. Right now, this is one of the rare business models that is both in demand and still relatively untapped. There's no tech skills involved. You don't need to code. You're implementing pre-built AI solutions. If you can use a website, you can learn how to use this. Number three, there's no startup costs, right? No inventory, no warehousing, no upfront investment. You're selling a service. You can get paid before you even do any work. And finally, the best part to this is recurring revenue potential. If you set up automation for a business, they will likely need you to maintain, update, and provide additional services. And that means beautiful monthly recurring income and longer term clients. So let me tell you a little bit about how I'm actually doing this myself. With my agency, Northstack AI, I started by offering super simple services, automated WhatsApp replies, appointment settings, and follow-ups. And these are the services that mostly every single service-based business can use, and they don't require any form of complex AI knowledge. And guess what? Business owners love it because it saves them time, it makes them money, and it reduces stress. In just a few months, I was able to land multiple clients and scale this into a full-fledged business. And the best part is I'm not even the one doing the work anymore. I have a team handling fulfillment while I focus on growth and business development. If I can do this, I'm pretty sure you can too. All right, so I hope you see the potential of what I'm sharing here. So what's next? If you're serious about starting an AI automation agency, here's what I recommend. Number one, pick a niche, right? Be it real estate, e-commerce, marketing, physical businesses, right, etc. Step two, learn 1 to 2 simple AI automation tools like Zapier, End-to-End, Go High Level, chatbots. Step three, offer a service, automate a business process. For example, step 4 will be to find 5 businesses to pitch, right? Find different angles. You can use LinkedIn, cold email, networking, running ads, find businesses, right? And step 5 would be to close your first client and deliver results. And boom, you're officially in business. If you want me to go even deeper into how to land clients, close deals, and scale this to 10K per month and beyond, just drop a comment below and let's make a connection, and I'll make a follow-up video breaking down on what you want to learn more about. Okay, so there you have it. Why AI automation agencies are the best online businesses to start in 2025. How to get started and how I'm building mine. If you found this helpful, let me know in the comments what's one thing that stood out to you in this video. What's one insight you've got? And thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.